almost to Mount Doom, Sam. Once we're there, we're going to take Sauron's benzene ring and we're going to toss it into the fire. Once it's destroyed, evil will finally be vanquished from Middle-earth.
But Mr. Photo, I don't understand what a benzene ring is.
What? You're kidding. We've walked for over 1,000 miles, Sam. Mount Doom is literally in front of us. And you don't even know what benzene is?
Not a clue.
Are you even familiar with nomenclature at all?
Only a little bit.
Fine, let me give you a refresher. Follow me. Let's start with the basics. First, how many carbons do you see?
I see 6, Mr. Photo.
Precisely, Sam. If you connect all the dots, you will have what you call a hexane. A hexane has 6 carbon atoms. Much like a hexagon has 6 sides, hexane has 6 carbons.
I think I understand, Mr. Photo. So a chain with 3 carbons would be called a triane, and 4 carbons would be a quadrane, and...
Bull! You're entirely, utterly, completely wrong. Look at this table of alkyl prefixes here. A carbon chain of 1 starts with a prefix methyl. A carbon chain of 2 starts with ethyl, and so on down the table. Let's move on to parent chains. Carbons normally form sigma bonds between each other, but that's not always the case. Observe how additional pi bonds change the molecule. 1 sigma bond makes an alkane. 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond makes an alkene. And finally, 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds make an alkyne.
What about carbon bonds with quadruple bonds? What are they called? Alkones? Alkunes?
They don't exist. Stop talking. Now, normally in nomenclature, you'll have to consider functional groups like these, and a substituent numbering process such as this. However, to make a benzene ring, we only have to consider cyclic compounds and resonance.
Those are big words, Mr. Photo. I don't think I could learn that.
Relax, Sam. It's quite simple, actually. If you take that 6 carbon chain that we had earlier and connected the 2 ends together, we would have a cyclic compound, or a ring. As we know from experience, all rings are evil. Fortunately, naming them is very simple. Just add the prefix cyclo.
Whoa, I think I'm starting to get it now.
Organic chemistry students always think they do. Then they have a midterm. Finally, let's discuss resonance. As you can see, a carbon ring can have double bonds. When this occurs, electrons actually trade, and double bonds alternate between being single bonds. When this happens, resonance occurs, as can be shown as this. Resonance means electrons can be at multiple parts of the molecule because the electrons can flow through neighboring pi systems. That's all there is to it, really. Now let's get to Mount Doom and finish this quest.
I am Gandalf the White!
Oh god, it's him again.
I come here to test those who have the audacity to claim they understand organic chemistry. All those who approach Mount Doom must pass the O-Chem final.
Oh no, Mr. Photo, I think he means me.
Well, good luck then.
Are you ready, Samwise Gamgee?
No, sir.
Here's your only question. See that benzene on the whiteboard over there? What is the circly thingy inside the ring?
What? That's it?
Oh, I know this. Resonance.
Correct! You have passed organic chemistry. For your valiant efforts, you will no longer be known as Samwise the Brave. You shall be known as Samwise the Grade Maker.
Aw, sweet!
This is completely ridiculous. I'll have you know that I'm much more knowledgeable about O-Chem than Sam. Ask me your question, wizard.
If you insist. Are you ready, Frodo the Aromatic Ring Bearer?
Sure, let's get on with it.
Describe to me the process by which a Friedel-Crafts alkylation can install an alkyl halide such as 2-chlorobutene to a benzene in the presence of aluminum trichloride.
No, I can't. Oh, Gandalf, I wish that O-Chem had never come to me. I wish that none of this had happened.
So do all who go through organic chemistry, but that is not for them to decide. All you have to do is to decide what to do with the time that is given to you. But you didn't study, so... You shall not pass this class!
I'm sorry, Mr. Photo.
Shut up.